if you are someone living in Bengaluru, there's a good chance that you're already feeling summer-like heat in February itself. Is Bengaluru weather still a thing? How bad is summer going to be this time? I don't have all the answers, but there's a person who has answers to all these questions. Let's find out. So Bengaluru weather is something people often speak about. Everyone is fond of Bengaluru weather. But with all the climatic changes around us, is Bengaluru weather still a thing, sir?
I don't see much change in Bangalore weather. People say that it's getting hotter, and then when we are seeing warm winters, something like that. Yes, this year it was warmer than last year, because if you see for the same period, the temperatures, especially the maximum temperature, was above normal by compared to last year. It was 1 degree more this year. So there are reasons for that actually. We are in El Nino year. El Nino last year it was severe, but it has become now moderate, and in the coming months it's likely to become still weaker and then become to neutral conditions. And because of that, then we are having clear skies, and then no clouding is there. And we also forecast that the rainfall for the month of February is going to be below normal only, the high probability for below normal rainfall. So these factors are have caused slightly more the temperatures during the first week of February, but afterwards we gave a forecast that it's going to come down. So initially in the first week of February, Bangalore recorded 34.2 on 9th of February, but it is not the all-time high record. The all-time high record is actually 35.9 recorded in 2005 on 17th February. But afterwards also there were three occasions where the temperatures were above 35. So I can say that in the last 13 years, this time the 34.2 which was recorded on 9th February is the fourth highest in the last 13 years or so. Yes, this time the winter was also not that much harsh because of these conditions, and then early high temperature we saw in February. And we are not going to expect that 35.9 to be beaten by this year. Yeah.
Sir, but people say that they have started feeling summer-like heat already. So this time in February, everyone is feeling it's hot. So why people feel this kind of heat even before summer officially starts?
No, last year also if you see, we did not have much western disturbance in North India. Therefore, we had early heat wave conditions in coastal Karnataka. This time North India is much better because we had a lot of fog days, and then western disturbance were high. Therefore, central India, North India are not having above normal temperatures. But in peninsular India, especially this four states, this Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, and then Andhra Pradesh, the temperatures were a little bit high because no rainfall was there, and then we actually predicted that below normal rainfall will be there. And because of these conditions and clear sky conditions, the temperatures were a little bit normal. As I told you very clearly, this year if you see for the entire state of Karnataka, the highest temperature reported was 37.3 degree in Kalburgi.
Right.
But that is not again the highest. In the last 15 years if you take, 40.3 also in February has been recorded in Bellary and Kalburgi respectively.
Okay.
So it is not the all-time high. It is in fact the fifth or sixth highest we can say.
Oh. Sir, so how is summer going to be in Bangalore and Karnataka this time, sir?
See, officially the summer season begins from 1st of March and then goes up to 3 months. Summer season is also the season of thunderstorms. We will also have thunderstorms with rains, and it's also a season of cyclonic storms. So we give pre-cyclone exercise and then cyclonic alerts also. Officially, how the summer is going to be, how the temperature is going to be, how the rainfall will be giving a press release on 29th of February. So officially, we will declare how the month of March is going to be in terms of rainfall and temperatures. Last year, El Nino was strong actually. You can see the index. This is called El Nino index. This is 3.4 index we call.
Okay.
Last year, November, it was 1.5. So if the index is more than 1.5 and above, we call it as very strong El Nino conditions. If it is 0 to 0.5, then it is a neutral condition. 0.5 to 1 degree, then it's a weak El Nino condition. 1 to 1.5 is moderate El Nino condition. Then if it is more than 1.5 degrees, the index, what do you mean by El Nino index? It is the departure from the normal. As I told you, the sea surface temperature in Nino 3.4 region, if it is more than this much temperature, this much value, then we call it as El Nino conditions. See, if you look at the forecast, the blue one indicates the observed one, and the red ones are the forecast months. Okay, for November and December, you can see the El Nino index was 1.5. Again, it is slowly coming down. So there is a trend of falling El Nino conditions. So this is actually the forecast is still up to July. So we can see gradually the El Nino conditions keeps on falling, and then it's coming to the neutral conditions. So this is actually good for our Indian monsoon. But officially, we will be giving the monsoon forecast in the month of April.
So when we speak about rain, there is also this concern of flooding all the time, especially with the recent events in Bangalore. So how vulnerable is Bengaluru for flooding when it rains?
This map will clearly tell you how Bangalore is vulnerable to floods and all. See, flood cities, we can classify into four different floods. One is coastal flood, the flood which is happening in the coastal region. That's mainly because of cyclonic storms and then storm surge, etc. That causes coastal flood. The next one is riverine flood. Due to heavy rainfall, extremely heavy rainfall in the catchment areas, the riverine flood will be there. Rivers will get swollen and then the water will overflow. That's called riverine flood. Third one is urban floods. So in most of the cities, we see nowadays urban floods are what we call unavoidable. Then the fourth one is flash floods. Flash floods are nothing but within a short period of time, within a brief time, short time, we get heavy rainfall. So that also causes flash flood. IMD is giving forecast for flash flood also, especially during monsoon season. This coastal Karnataka is vulnerable for flash floods. Okay, even in Bangalore also. Sometimes, whenever it rains in Bangalore with the thunderstorm and lightning, it always accompanied by heavy rain only. Heavy rain doesn't come alone in Bangalore. It always accompanied by thunderstorms and rains. So as per this map, this is our official map. This is data for the last 50 years, from 1969 to 2019. If you see, this is our state of Karnataka, right?
Right.
Bangalore is having the highest number of flood events.
Yeah, it's a different color.
Yeah, this is in purple color. So Bangalore rural and Bangalore urban, the number is actually 70 and 71.
Okay.
Okay. So last in those period, that is 1969 to 2019, if you take the data, now 71 flood events have taken place in Bangalore rural and Bangalore district, highest in the state of Karnataka, followed by Uttara Kannada, Dakshina Kannada, Raichur, and then Ballari, Gulbarga. So they are all coming under moderate to high conditions.
The good news is, we have just learned that the prospects for monsoon this year is slightly better when compared to the previous year. Until then, we'll be bringing you regular updates. For more such stories, follow The Hindu and subscribe to our YouTube channel.